Hello, this is Jeb Baldado, and this is for my MIL Beta. I will be interviewing Mr. Jeffrey Ordinal, a teacher here in LSM, AP teacher, and student government SGET Lab. He's been teaching for 14 years now here in LSM, turning 50. Mr. Jeffrey Ordinal. Sir, why did you choose to teach here in LSM? And what are your reasons for staying here?
LSM is my first school. Actually, LSM is my 20th school to apply. Out of 20, LSM accepted. The reason behind this, I was able to adapt with the situation in the system of LSM.
Thank you, sir. What are the tangible differences that you saw all through your teaching years here in LSM?
There's a lot of improvement in terms of facilities in LSM from 2012 up to present.
Oh, okay. Next, what are the activities that are present now and is not present before?
Present before.
Present now and not present before.
Present before. First is in terms of high school. Before we call it high school concert, but now we call it high school night. That's one. Another thing, in terms of program right now.
Yes. Or any activity.
Anything activities before. Before there's no kantahan, but now we have also kantahan. Yes.
Thank you, sir. And lastly, what is your most memorable experience in teaching here in LSM?
The memorable experience. There's a lot of memorable experience here in LSM. Maybe the memorable one of the memorable experience is in 2012 to 2013, I was assigned to teach business education class. Teaching entrepreneurship, marketing, and accounting, basic accounting.
Once again, thank you, sir. This is Jeb Baldazo, Mr. Jeffrey Ordinal, Paxet.